Hello guys, today our project will be a bit different because this one we're going to involve a PWM peripheral here on our circuit. In the first comment it says set the PLL to P0.07. To do that you have to go startup, double click. Once it comes out like this you have to go configuration wizard, it's right down here, find PLL setup and change this to P0.07. The reason is that so we can access for the 56 megahertz CPU clock here. I had to include the library, the function, and the PWM one, and this obviously the switch. Here I have to set pins instead of zeros. I have to accept the P0.7 only as the PWM PWN, while the others are inputs. And here I accept access the PWMs like PWM CR, MR2, etc. Then I had to put some bit of function. A switch is to monitor only in this line. And then it says that if switch is access to this, it delays and adds by 10. And then access to 6 as the delay, and that's the code. Leave me a comment if you want it. Now, as obviously, we open Flash Magic. Make sure you choose the board, the perfect COM port, and the baud rate, and make sure you check your hex files to the correct. Choose the correct hex file. Well, in this case, I go access the board. So let's give a run. Well, the program's on. If you want to know the circuit, if you want to know the components I use for the circuit, is I used an LED, a 220 ohm resistor connected to P0.7, a grounds, P0.5 goes to the second switch, and P0.6 to the other switch. These two are 10 ohm resistors, which all connect to the ground. And the result should come out like this. The more I press, if I press a lot on the left button, it brightens up the LED. If I press or hold on the red button, it switches off my LED. Basically, it's like I did a dimmer by using push buttons. However, the PWM is perfect because I tested it once at school, and I used the oscilloscope, and it matches fine. I hope you liked today's video. Until then, see you next time.